Good evening. Ever since the 1950s, we as Americans have been obsessed with space exploration. But have we gone too far? Recently, the President of the United States announced that we would be trying to send humans to Mars by the year 2037. In the next few minutes, I'm going to try to prove to you that sending humans, robotic missions to Mars are better than human missions, for three main reasons. First, robots focus only on the tasks they are programmed to do. Second, robotic missions offer more benefits to society. And finally, human missions are more costly than robotic missions. So why do we send humans into space if robots are capable of doing the same jobs? What would humans do if they were sent to Mars? Well, they would take pictures, bring back samples, and perform tests. Current robots and future robots are and will be able to do these same tasks and more without being distracted by egos or desires that humans could have if they do the same things. According to Carl Sagan, a renowned astronomer and astrophysicist, robots are entirely capable of answering, as well as astronauts can, all the questions that we need to ask. This means that there's no real advantage to sending robots over humans, or humans over robots rather, sorry. Using humans for a quest for knowledge can easily turn into a quest for a bigger ego or seeing if it can be done, instead of simply answering scientific questions. The second reason why robots are better for space missions is because robotic space missions offer more benefits to society. The main benefit that space exploration offers is increasing our knowledge about our universe. The use of robots to get this knowledge requires far less time than sending humans to get the same knowledge. This is seen with the current robots that have been sent to Mars. It would have taken over 20 years to get that same information that the robots have sent back to us if we had used humans instead to get that information. Sorry. Using robots instead of people also would improve society by helping the government to save money, which I'll explain in greater detail shortly. But the money saved could be used for education or health care or any number of alternative things that can be done to improve society. So both human missions and robotic missions are beneficial to society, but the robotic missions would offer more benefits. My third reason, as I was mentioning a second ago about the cost of human missions, is that human missions are more costly than robotic missions. Costly meaning monetary value as well as the value of human lives. According to the Exploration Systems Architecture Study by NASA, the projected cost of the manned lunar mission in preparation of the Mars mission will be $217 billion through the year 2025. This cost is far greater than the cost of sending robots to Mars. The two rovers that were sent and the most recent Phoenix lander that was sent only cost a total of $1 billion. That's $216 billion more than it would cost to send humans to Mars. The other cost of sending humans into space is the risk that human lives could be lost. The father of Ilan Ramon, an astronaut who died in the Columbia Space Shuttle accident in 2003, says, "I have no son. It is very sad, and I don't know what else to say." This shows the emotional impact that space shuttle accident can have on family members and other people if an astronaut dies. So when we send a robot into space, there's no damage done if the robot burns up on the way back into the atmosphere. Nobody really cares. They only care if humans die. That's why it's better for robots to be sent, because there's no potential risk to human lives. I hope that in these last few minutes I have convinced you that robotic space missions are better than human missions by showing you the facts. First, robots focus more on their tasks and do not deviate from their assignments. Second, robotic space missions offer more benefits to society. And finally, human missions cost more than robotic in both monetary and human lives. Thank you.